Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to find circular references in your Excel. So if you have in your certain document in Excel circular references, the two ways to find them is, of course, open up your Excel and open up your document. I'm using the old version of Excel. I believe this one is 2007 year of release. When you open up your file or document and you do have circular references in your document, you will see right here on the down left that you have a circular reference, and it will also show you where it is. Basically, it will tell you which cell that circular reference is in. So this is the first way to identify it right here. Now the second way to identify it is to just click on the formulas, and then you go to error checking. You need to click on the drop down, and here are your circular references. So you just hover your mouse over this button. You don't really have to press it, and you will also see on the right, you can see I have nothing because my document is empty, but you can just hover your mouse over this button right here, and on the right you will have a pop-out that will say that you have a circular reference and also the exact location in a cell in your document. Thank you guys for watching. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.